Hi guys, Mr. C here with another reaction video. Um, Today I'm going to be reacting to one of Alan's requests. Uh, excuse me. This is It's Only a Paper Moon, a cappella cover, and you'll have to forgive me if I'm not pronouncing this quite right. Lucca Sounds? Lucca Sounds, the Lucca Sounds. Okay, I mean, I'm very familiar with the song, not at all familiar with this group. So anyway, looking forward to this. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I like the opening here. Maybe I'll move my
It's only a paper moon sailing over cardboard sea. But it wouldn't be make-believe if you believed in me. Say it's only a candy sky hanging over a muslin tree. But it wouldn't be make-believe if you believed in me. Without your love, it's a honky-tonk parade. Without your love, it's a melody played in a penny arcade. It's a Barnum and Bailey waltz, just as funny as it can be. But it wouldn't be make-believe if you believed in me.
There's a beatbox there. Okay.
Sailing over a muslin tree, but it wouldn't be make-believe if you believed in me. Without your love, it's a honky-tonk parade. Without your love, it's a melody played in a penny arcade. It's a Barnum and Bailey world, just as funny as it can be. But it wouldn't be make-believe if you believed in me. No, it wouldn't be make-believe if you believed in me.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
It's only a paper moon sailing over
Okay.
cardboard sea.
Well, I think I'm going to stop it right there. I really enjoyed that. That was good stuff. I was trying to figure out who's doing the beatboxing, and I'm gathering it as the lady at the top on the left. Okay, I've always loved this style of music. Um, you may have seen me singing along with it. I'm really trying to cut down on the sing along. I really try it. It's hard. So I gathered that these were members of a group called Noteworthy, and I think Noteworthy is at. Oh yeah, it was an Alan's comment. They're from BYU. Um, yeah, I thought that was fabulous, just fabulous. That's why I love doing a reaction channel. I never would have exposed myself to this group if it wasn't for doing this channel. That's and honestly, some of the my favorite videos so far that I've done are of groups like this that aren't. What was this thing at? 3,000 views. And how long has it been up? About a month and maybe close to 2 months. How many subscribers do they got? 588. See that? I mean, what I will say is, like a group like Cimarelli is I think up to 3 million subscribers. They deserve everything that they're getting as far as attention goes. And then there's other groups like this that aren't getting the attention I think that they really deserve. I mean that this it's at 3,000 views. It should be a lot higher than that. I mean, that was great. I really appreciate this style of music. I love it. So yeah, and that's the great thing about a reaction channel too is hopefully some of the home fries on my channel look at this, give this a shot. They discover, hey, this is a great group too. Um, it's about a reaction channel is about sharing fandoms and people who are fans of this group might come to my channel and discover home free other groups so that's the great thing about doing a channel like this is is I discover new acts, but also other fans discover other acts through this channel too. So yeah, nothing but positives for this group, and I really do appreciate all the comments, all the suggestions. Um, so yeah, just to keep on throwing them my way. I really do try to react as much as I can. Unfortunately, because of my schedule, um, I can only upload sort of on average maybe 1, 2 videos a day, and usually late at night. But anyway, yeah, just to keep on coming. I'll get to as many as I can, and I think I will also kind of generally prefer groups that I haven't reacted to. Um, but yeah, I will keep on reacting to Cimarelli and Voctive and Home Free and all those guys. So yeah, just keep them coming. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate all the support I get. All right, I guess I will see you later with the next video. Bye.